Welcome back to the Everything But the Bow podcast. You are here with Rabbi Master Distiller and Tarabello Distillery. You need gifting? We got you covered. Custom labeling, free shipping. We are your go-to distillery when you need to make a splash. Have that CEO that you just don't know what to get because everything feels like it's from Amazon? Rest assured, with our personalized letters and custom label, you are sure to awe. Shocking all that is. This video is sponsored by ttbmath.com, the go-to liquor software for wineries, breweries, and distilleries, servicing them from compliance through point of sale. TTB Math is the software you need to survive in this economic uncertainty. Today's topic is just about my favorite, canned spirits on the beach. Today it's like a given that summer means clear spirits, ready to drink drinks. There's not even an attempt of marketing of colored spirits on the beach. Guess what, guys? It's time to change. Think a little bit. Tiki spirits, 1970s, 60s. It was all the rage, colored spirits. Do you really think out in the Caribbean and drinking rum? We need to get a little more creative. We need to come together as distillers and say, stop this nonsense. It's time. Start drinking whiskeys. Now, I get it for you wine drinkers. It's a little tough because I just don't feel the vibes of wine in a bathing suit. But let's be real. A good hard spirit, a good whiskey, a good Tarabello just might make the beach. Guys, now, think about it. Sales are down. You're having a rough summer. Isn't it time to get creative? The bars on the beaches, they're just selling what the customers want. You're not even out in front of them, the clients. It's time to get a spin on it. For real. Maybe sponsor caps for the bartenders. Go where it will make a statement. It is crucial that every single bartender knows what you are. If you are a local product, you have a local beach, you could really win because let's be truthful. When people are having a good time, they're open to experiment, to try new products, to learn about new things. They've already had that martini. They've already had the SOB. They've had everything. So you're new. They've never had a hard drink since the 60s and 70s. And those are not the people on the beach today. So go for it. Press hard. Okay, compete with those non-alcoholic beverages that give you no experience. They are just not your love and passion. This is a very unconventional approach, but you need to take this approach to sell your hard spirits. Go where you're not welcome. And I don't mean to an Alcohol Anonymous meeting where your spirit is welcome but not in its current form. Which gets me thinking, maybe supply the bartenders on the beach with good recipes to go with your spirit. Remember, everyone likes the people. Everyone likes the meetings. Everyone likes the greetings. Everyone likes the tour. So you're going to go right over the manager's head and meet with the bartenders and get them involved in your product. I know it's not like a broken, piano, flute, harmonica, repeating over and over, tape recorder, repeating over and over the same thing. But I need to convince you so you can go ahead and make the pitch. Don't come in shaking like, hey, maybe you want to. Listen up, guys. I'm local, got a great product. People come for vacation here. They drink my product, they buy my product. I want to make you more money serving my product. I'll give you the caps, I'll give you the marketing, I'll give you what you need to make the product. I'm here to support you. You will be shocked how many people would turn around and start drinking colored spirits in the drink. They're not vodka and gin. And guys, you could also push your vodka and gin products. I just know that it gets crowded out. Because if it's getting put into a mix, they're just going to use the cheapest vodka. Let's be honest. They're going to use the cheapest gin. Let's be honest. Colored spirits have that thing. Local have that part in it. And that's what you're cooking up to sell. Guys, thank you for watching. If you need any help, reach on out 551-238-7791 and visit ttbmath.com. We've got your back. If you are looking to start a winery, brewery, or distillery, reach out today. We have a fantastic starters package. We'll get you off the ground and we'll get your company on fire. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.